everyone, welcome to this walkthrough on how to create a Shopify account or a Shopify store and upload products. My name is Shem and I'll be guiding you through this process. So for step number one, signing up for Shopify. Just visit shopify.com, and right now on the screen, I'm currently on that page already. So let's go ahead and enter our email address, make sure it's an active one, and click on start free trial. Once done, you will be redirected to a page where it will ask you to set up your unique password and then click on Create a Shopify account. For step number three, you have to select which best describes you. But before we go to that, you will still be asked on selecting where you want to sell. On this page, there's no limit as to how many reasons you'd like to select. You can select all, just like how I do it on the screen now. Or you can select just a few depending on the reason why you set up this account. Then click on next. So as for me, I'll go ahead and just select an online store, social media, and online marketplaces, and then click on next. In selecting which best describes you, for beginners like me, you may select I'm not selling yet. And for those with physical stores already or engage in online businesses, you may select I'm already selling online or in person. Then click on next. For step number four, you have to select what do you want to sell. You can choose as many as you can here, but still it's best to select what's meant for you. So I'm going to select product I buy or make myself. Then click on next. On this page, which is our step number five, you have to choose the best plan. Since I just wanted to avail the free trial without being charged at all, I'll click on skip. I'll decide later. That will be located at the bottom part of this page here. Then we now have an account at Shopify. As you can see here, we have 9 tasks to complete. But before we proceed, let's go to the online store located at the left-hand side of the screen, which is this one. And this time, let's proceed to step number 6, which is choosing a theme. Just have to click on that and then click on themes. Let us now proceed in browsing through the theme store. We can customize our theme or simply go to popular free themes. It's right here. Then select what's best fits your store. Then click add. So let's say, for example, as for my store, I rather love this view. So I click on add. Then the theme is now installing. Let's wait for it to install. After that, we are going to click on publish. Okay, there you go. It's been added and installed. So we can click on publish right away. Or if you want to make some changes, then you can click on customize. But since I'd like to keep it this way, I'm going to click on publish. Once you click that, you will see this message after setting up your theme stating that your online store is password protected. You can remove the password after you publish this theme. So don't forget to do it later when you have decided to select a plan because you can't remove it without adding a plan. Now let's click on publish. Once done, let's go ahead and add our products for step number 7. We're going to add 10 products in total. So let's start with the first one. Let's go to products. Once you click on products, you have to click on add product and we need to enter the product details. So let's start with the product title. So this is my first product. It's a Women's Month Tees for Women. And then let's add our description. On the description box, you can put your own description just like what I did, or you can utilize this automation here to generate a description for you. After that, we have to add pictures. When uploading pictures, keep in mind that high quality photos are essential in attracting customers. Then, once uploaded, you have the option to drag any of these photos to be the main photo, and the bigger one will appear first. So, let's say, for example, this one, I'd like it to be set up as the main photo. After that, automatic on the category, it will fill out. So, it shows t shirts and clothing tops. Then let's proceed with the price. Let's say this product cost 170 peso. And you can also use this compare at price to display a more expensive number with a strike through, as if we're like giving customers a very good deal. So let's say, for example, with other websites or previously, this cost 200 peso. Okay, there you go. Then you can add the cost per item, which is the original price. So we would know how much will be our profit margin, but it will not be visible on the store. So let's say, for example, my capital for this product is 140 peso. So each product you have a 30 peso profit. Then on the inventory, you may select how many products are available. Let's say, for example, I have a total of 50 items. Then, if you want to continue selling when out of stock, just enable this feature. For the shipping, you can add the weight of the product, and this is important if you want to charge a shipping fee based on the weight of the product. But I'd like to leave it as it is. Okay, let's proceed on adding the variants. So we have here an option to like add color, size, fabric, age group, and so on and so forth. So for this product that I want to upload, I'll go ahead and add on size and then click on done. Now here you have the option to customize the cost. So let's say, for example, the price for extra small is different from other sizes, then you have to edit the pricing here. But if it's the same on all sizes, then you don't have to make any changes here. Under available, this is the number of items available per size. So let's say, for example, I have 10 for this one, 10, oops, 10, another one. Okay, so a total of 50 because I put 50 earlier under the inventory. So once you're done, let us edit our search engine listing. This is how people are going to preview our products page like Google. So let's say here. So this is the page title. And under meta description, let me just edit that. I prefer this. So let's go ahead and put it. Order now and celebrate Women's Month in style. And then scroll up to make sure the status is active. So there you go. Once you have confirmed that the status is active, the sales channel will show as online store. So this one, manage sales channel, and it shows online store. So there you go. Now we have to click on save. So we just created our first product. Okay, so now I have successfully added 10 products. So let us now proceed to step number 8, which is organizing products into collection. We just need to go to collections and click on create collection. So as for my products, I can sort it as men collection and women collection. So let's put men collection as the title. As for the description, we can leave it as a blank. And for the collection type, just leave it as manual. As for the products that will be part of the men collection, click on browse and then click on the following products that's intended for men. So we have this one, two, three. I think I own, oh, 4 products for men. And then click on add. And then go to add image. And then from here, you have to select a collection image, which will serve as the visual of your collection. Then click on save. So I prefer this one. And then done. There you go. And then click on save. Once done, you have to click on create another collection. So for the second collection, I have women collection. Leave it as blank for the description, manual for the collection type, and then click on browse for the products. So I think I have 6 for the women collection. Let's see. Okay, click on add and then add image. Select from those pictures that I have uploaded earlier and click done and save. Okay, so here we go. I have a total of 2 collections here. So once done, I need to go back to the theme editor to continue designing my store. So go to online store, click on themes. There you go. And then click on customize. So add section and then click on featured selection. So let's say, for example, okay, this one, featured collection. So right here, we have the option to edit or customize what features will be, what collections will be featured. So, okay, there you go. So as you can see, it shows product count of 4, but you have the option to maximize this depending on how many items you have on your store. So as for me, I'd like to keep it 4. And then on the heading, as you can see, it shows featured collection, but you can simply remove that as well. So let me remove that. And then we have the heading size. There's no need to change it since we have already removed the heading. And then on the columns, as you can see, it's a total of 4, but you have the option to change it to 3, 2, or 1, depending on you. But I'd like to keep it as 4. Go. But since we only have limited items, I only have 4 for the men collection. So let's go ahead and click on women collection because I had 6. So let's feature 5 women collection. And then if we click on carousel, this one, you have the option to, as you can see, just scroll it like this. And now, as for these options stating view all, you have the option to disable that. Just click this one. And if you think you're already satisfied with how it looks like, you can click on save. Now, if you'd like to add more features on your store, you just have to go back and then click on add section again. So after adding several sections in our store, this is how it looked like now. So as you can see, it's getting better. If you're gonna hover this, it will show you the second image there. And then we have to click on this arrow button here to view more of the products that we have uploaded for the women collection. And then here's our men collection. After that, this is our featured collection, the Molly dress. If we click on view full details, it will route us to this page. Now let's just go back there, scroll down, and here they can add their email and so on and so forth. So let's explore more on our page. We have the catalog or the list of items that we are selling or our 10 products. So that's how it looked like for the store that we have created a while ago. Now, going back, as I have mentioned in the beginning of this video, that we have 9 tasks to complete. So we have to do that by exploring these options here. And so we have the orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, discounts, and so on and so forth. We'll just have to explore each of this and follow the instructions on the screen. And that's how we are going to set up our Shopify store. So that's it for this video. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something from this video. Have a great day, everyone.